Alright, so I wanted to do a quick video on the tools that I'll be using first off, because everyone always wants to know, what am I using? Do I need to use that? It's totally up to you, honestly. Whatever you want to draw on, whether it's Procreate or Krita or GIMP or Clip Studio or Art Studio Pro or Photoshop or whatever, use whatever you want. But everyone always wants to know what I'm using, so I'm going to go over that with you guys real quick. So first off, my primary application that I think I'll be using during this course is Procreate. This is an iPad Pro application, or regular iPad too, I guess. But I've got an iPad Pro myself, a 2017 model with newest version of Procreate and Apple Pencil. That's what I use most of the time. You will also likely see we'll probably do some stuff in just regular old Photoshop. I use Photoshop CC. I know not everyone's a fan of the subscription model, but I've got to pay for the video editor and all that stuff too anyway, so I go ahead and get everything. And in Photoshop, you'll notice Magic Picker. That's a lot of people ask me about that, my color picker. It's an extension. It's a paid extension called Magic Picker. You don't have to have it. It just keeps the color picker open, which I like more than the little pop-up box thing that the Photoshop does. But I'll either be using Photoshop or Procreate in this course. But like I said, if you prefer another application, there are a lot of good applications out there. Like I said, Clip Studio is very popular. Art Studio Pro I discovered recently seems to be pretty awesome. There's free stuff like Krita and GIMP, and I'm sure I'm missing something major. Sketchbook Pro, so whatever you want to draw with, you can keep drawing with it. I'm going to try to keep this course as agnostic as possible when it comes to applications. But since everyone always wants to know what I'm working with, now you know. So let's move on.